cosecant square A minus tan square A equal to 1, then the value of A, range of A is 4 options are there, 0 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to 90, 0 less than theta less than or equal to 90, 0 less than or equal to theta less than 90, and 0 less than theta less than 90. Correct answer is option C. Most of the students concentrate level 1, level 2, level 3 basic, medium and hard questions, but they never concentrate the fundamental concepts. All are very well confident in these 3 identities: sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, and cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. These identities are true only if this one of the condition is satisfied. The correct answer is option C. This is question based on complete theory concept. Okay, the answer C. What is the reason for answer C? Because when theta equal to 90 degree, when theta equal to 90 degree, what is tan A? Tan A is not defined, and hence 90 degree not included. That is the reason for option C. 0 is included. If you substitute secant 0 is 1 and tan 0 is 0, and 90 degree not possible to substitute. Therefore, the range of theta is greater than or equal to 0, less than 90 degree.